The L.A. White Engineering Award is awarded to an engineer who has made significant contributions to the profession of engineering and their community and demonstrates great promise as a professional engineer. Nominees must be no older than 35 years of age as of the date the award is presented. It is a natural curiosity of the world around her, which has served Meggie Letman, P.Eng, well in her engineering career. Meggie is currently a water resources engineer at Dillon Consulting, where she has worked for the last 4 years, working on a variety of multidisciplinary projects including fish passage studies, shoreline protection, and hydrologic modeling. Last year, Meggie stepped into the additional role of operational team manager, happily splitting her time between both people and project management. I always knew I wanted to save the world, but I didn't really know how, says Meggie. I chose engineering initially because I figured that if I had good marks in all my classes in high school, the most efficient way to apply them in one field is engineering, which is a very engineer's way of deciding to be an engineer. Maggie obtained a diploma in engineering from St. Francis Xavier University in 2012 and went on to complete her bachelor's degree in environmental engineering at Dalhousie University in 2014 as part of the Associated University program. Interested in continuing to develop her academic expertise, Meggie successfully applied for a Master of Applied Science in Environmental Engineering at Dalhousie and added another degree under her belt 2 years later. Meggie stayed on as a research engineer in training in the Graduate Student Research Group for 2 years following her master's, finding a balance between fieldwork, the lab, and her computer. In her current role at Dillon, Maggie spends her time leading projects, managing clients and team meetings, as well as chasing proposals and business development opportunities. The water resources engineer finds herself using her innate creative problem solving skills, as well as the collaboration skills she picked up in her education to deliver maps, schemes, and design concepts. While managing a team responsible for different deliverables, Maggie finds satisfaction in finding the most efficient way for everyone to work towards one major outcome. Last year, Maggie served as chair of the Engineers Nova Scotia's Emerging Professionals Committee, which she has been involved with for the last 6 years. She strongly believes that by incorporating volunteerism alongside professional development and networking opportunities into the mandate, engineers in training, new engineers, or newcomers to Canada interested in getting registered can thrive. In fact, Maggie has applied this principle in her own life, being a founding member of the Aquatic Systems Professional and Industrial Training for the Restoration Economy program, as well as an instructor for the Supernova program during her time at Dalhousie, providing STEM programming to students across Atlantic Canada. She especially loves knowledge sharing with students, regularly doing speaking sessions for first year Dalhousie students on environmental engineering and sustainability. Maggie also shares her invaluable knowledge through rowing. During her studies, Maggie was an athlete as a member of the St. FX Rowing Club and the Dalhousie University Rowing Club, and has gone on to be involved on the board of the Halifax Rowing Club and even coach at the university novice level. It is evident through her dedication to sport, extracurricular volunteering, and the new leadership role at Dillon that Maggie places importance on mentorship. For her unwavering drive to be a well rounded professional engineer who is both knowledgeable in her field and willing to learn, Maggie Letman, P.Eng, is a 2023 recipient of the L.A. White Engineering Award.